Hello everyone, welcome to Sudarshan Kids. Who am I?
I am a teacher. I am a policeman. I am a firefighter. I am a doctor. I am a nurse. I am a gardener. I am a soldier. I am a dancer. I am an artist. I am a delivery man. I am a magician. I am a builder. I am a pilot. I am a driver. I am a detective. I am a sculptor. I am a porter. I am a postman. I am a scientist. I am a clown. I am a baker. I am a judge. I am an astronaut. I am a carpenter. I am a cook. I am a painter. I am a veterinarian. I am a